Hello, and welcome to Vinchin. Server downtime can damage your business, so it is essential to recover the failed VM as soon as possible. In this video, you will learn how to use Instant Restore to recover Sangfor VM immediately in Vinchin Backup and Recovery. Here we have a backup of Sangfor VM, and we are going to use it to perform Instant Restore. Select Instant Restore and then select this backup. Select a Sangfor host. You can simply configure the Sangfor VM here, and it is recommended to enable power on this VM after restoring here. Start it. It's finished now. The Sangfor VM is being started, and let's check it. It will take a few seconds. It's working now. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.